Good day, everyone. Have a blessed Friday. So today is my video is all about paano magtipid ng gas. LPG ba? Dito kasi gas or cylinder ang tawag nila dito sa Nepal. So basically, dito sa Nepal, we cook our rice in rice cooker. Yan. So electric yan. Dito naman is yung pressure cooker. But for me, kasi mas masarap magluto sa pressure cooker ng kanin kaysa sa rice cooker. I don't like the taste of the rice sa rice cooker. I prefer the pressure cooker na cook rice. Mas malambot siya, mas masarap siya. And like dito sa rice cooker, it's so dry. Wala siyang lasa. So first thing is how to makatipid is kasi iluluto natin sa pressure cooker, syempre gagamitin natin yung gas. So, para makatipid tayo, all I have to do is, so instead na cold water yung isasalang gagamitin natin dyan, is I use hot water. So, one cooking rice, gagamitin is yung hot water. Kabulb lang ng hot water ko, ha. Yan yung kitli na to. Kito. So, hot water yung gagamitin ko pang luto ng kanin. Yan, tignan niyo, mag-usok pa yan. So, yan, tansya lang. Sa pag-pressure ko kasi, hindi na kailangan ng maraming tubig eh. Kasi pressure naman sa. Iluluto ko lang sa slow fire. So, takip ko na yan. Sasalang ko na yan sa stove. Just few minutes, luto na yan. So, it will not take a lot of time to cook. Kasi pag malamig yung tubig mo dyan, it will take a lot of time. So, another thing is, so, I cook yung vegetables ko dito. So, sa rice cooker. So, instead na sa kalan ako magluluto, sa rice cooker ako nagluluto ngayon. I will show you in another video on how to cook vegetables dyan sa rice cooker na yan. So, another thing to makatipid is, kasi dito sa Nepal, mahilig silang magtya. Pati ako na rin, natuto, nasanay na rin sa drinking tea. So, ang ginagawa ko, I put sugar there already. May sugar na yan siya. So, this is clove powder. Busy yung kamay natin sa video. So, we don't ay lang, tigas. Hindi ko ma-open yung aking tiya. Wait lang. Pause natin muna. O, siya, nalagyan ko ng tea. Chapat tea. So, ang gawin natin dyan, para na lang tayo gumagawa ng brewed coffee. So, slowly lang. Pour in the water. Ikot-ikot lang yan. Slowly lang. Yan. So, hindi na natin kailangan mag-boil sa gas. Tipid na rin tayo dyan ng gas, di ba? O, tignan yung labas. Yan. So dark. O, anong difference ng bowl tsaka yung kon lang? Parang kon lang din siya. Yung brewed coffee style, di ba? Sa brewed coffee, nilagyan ng filter paper. Tapos yung tubig, mahina lang yung taloy. O, di ba? Brewed coffee ka na. In my case, meron akong brewed tea. May ganun na. And another one is, meron akong ditong, anong tawag dito? Hot flask. Ba yun? Malit na thermos. So, lagyan natin yung hot water, newly boiled, syempre. So, anytime na gagawa ko ng tea, especially ang asawa ko eh, 3 to 4 times a day mag-tea. After eating breakfast, after eating ng lunch, after eating ng snacks, at dinner. Yan, sa gabi din, uminom kami ng warm water with clove water and salt. So, hot water yung ginagamit namin. So, yan, tipid sa electricity, di ba? Hindi lang sa electricity, sa gas din. So, just cover that one, keep it. So, anytime you need to make tea, yan ang gagamitin ko. O, di ba, tipid na. So, what else? So, yung cylinder ko, we're supposed to, or we used to, ano pala, we used to finish it or use it in like 2.5 months. Tapos, ubos na yung isang cylinder namin. Or yung LPG namin. But this time, because of this thing, so yung kanilang niluluto ko sa gas, once in a while, yung gulay din, kaya nakatipid ako, it's already been, yung gas namin yan, it's already been, how to say, tawag dito, 4 months na. 4 months na. Yung gas namin. Sasalang ko na to dito. Kung lang tayo, slow fire lang siya. Yan, slow fire ko lang yung luto ko para slowly yung pagkaluto niya, saka malambot yung rice. Yan, cover na natin. Pati yung munggo ko din, so I cook in a pressure cooker din. Pero, same thing pala, I use also hot water to cook it. Kaya na, yung gas ko na we used to use for 2.5 months. Ngayon, umabot na ng 4 months. And we bought new gas. Hindi ka makakabili ngayon ng one full tank or full cylinder. Half cylinder lang yung binibigay nila o nabibili namin dito sa Nepal. So, we really have to save yung gas. So, medyo siguro electricity, medyo malaki yung babayaran namin. But, it's same thing naman. Diba? Yung cylinder mo, you use it for fast in 2.5 months. Tapos, yung cylinder na gamit mo, din parang napunta rin sa electricity, parang ganon. So, ito yung ulam na iluluto ko today in my pressure cooker, na rice cooker, chicken mechado. Yan. So, I will make new video on how to cook chicken mechado later on with another video po. And another thing is that, isa pa, I used to cook my vegetables in pressure cooker. So, dahil niluto ko sa pressure cooker, na-overcook yung mga gulay. Kumbaga, latang-lata na. Kasi nga, kahit na one whistle lang siya, na-overcook talaga siya. So, I changed my strategy. So, I cook the rice in the pressure cooker and I cook my veggies in the rice cooker. So, I hope hindi kayo nalito dyan, no? Pressure at rice cooker. Pressure kasi ba yung kwan, yung mayroong whistle, yung pressure. Yung rice cooker naman yung nagluto ng rice. Minsan ako nalilito dun din eh. Especially if my mind is not working. Parang kung ano nang napunta na ilabas ng bunganga, yun lang. Ha! So, there you go. So, I don't have inductions. I plan to buy induction, but so far I'm doing good what I'm doing right now. So all you need to have to do is you have the kettle, 2 liters of kettle to boil water, rice cooker, and pressure cooker. Yun lang naman ang kailangan mo to save gas. Diba? Not necessary induction. Induction eh. Wala na akong maglalagay ng induction o wala nang space yung pan ko. Lutuan ko. And wala na. Paglalagay ko pa dyan yung induction sa side na yan, yung empty side na yan, ano ba yan? Yung empty side na yan, wala na ako pag gamit ko. So, it will be crowded kasi wala siyang wala siyang cupboard. Walang cupboard. Kasi I will just renting this house, guys. It's not our own. Living in the city is too expensive. And buying land is also too expensive. So, thank you for listening and have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.